Alright, so what we're going to go ahead and do is go over how to attach a document to your calendar and share it with others. First, we can start off by making a meeting or a little event, and we're going to have it syllabus review. Go ahead and add a time. Make the meeting for 9:30 a.m. We can add our conference, Apple example guest. Little description, service review, and we can add an attachment. We'll go ahead and pull it from the drive. Our syllabus for Kines 205 right here, select that, and now that's up. Let's see. Make sure that let's see this description attachments. Yeah, now that is available to be viewed. Let's go ahead and save that. Invitation. Yes. We'll do private share. And now let's go ahead and check our settings real quick. Not the right settings. Everything should be good and set up. So 9:30 next Monday. You can open up your video call, and before doing so, check out this attachment. And that is how you set up an attachment to a document for your calendar. Share it with others.